Hi friends, today we're going to be counting coins and counting all types of coins, but first I want us to go over each coin again. This is the penny. This is worth 1 cent. It has Abraham Lincoln on the front and has his memorial on the back. And our poem again is penny, penny, easily spent, coppery brown and worth 1 cent. The next is the nickel. The nickel is worth 5 cents. The nickel has Thomas Jefferson on it. And this is the back of the nickel. The poem goes, nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. The next is the dime, which is the smallest one. The dime is worth 10 cents and it has Franklin D. Roosevelt on it. It says, dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. And our last one is our quarter. Our quarter is worth 25 cents. It has George Washington on it. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. So again, penny, 1 cent. Nickel, 5 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. So when we're adding things up, remember we're adding starting with the biggest number. So if I was to put 2 pennies out here, I would start with 1 because pennies are worth 1 cent. But now if I put a nickel out here, I would start with my nickel because it's the biggest number. Like when we're counting our dollars from to see how much money that we get and how much money we can spend at the prize box, we always start with the biggest number first. So if you have 100, you start with the hundreds. If you have a 20, you start with your 20. If you have a 10, you start with your 10. If you have a 5, you start with your 5. Then if you only have ones, then you have ones. So if I have 5, 6, 7. Now what if I added a dime? A dime wouldn't go at the end, we would go at the beginning. So when we're counting, we start with the biggest number. So we'll go 10, plus 5, 15, plus 1, 16, 17. So 10, 15, 16, 17. But now what if we added a quarter? A quarter, again, is 25, so that's the biggest number. So we'll have 25 plus 10, so we'll have to count by tens. So 25, 35, 35 plus 5, 40. So 35, 40, 41, 42. Now I'm going to take random ones and see if I can add them up. So I'm going to take a few here, a few here, a few here, and a few here. So I have a 25, I have 1 quarter, 1 dime, 2 nickels, 1, 2, 3 pennies. So 25 plus 10, so 25, 35, 35 plus 5, 40, 40 plus 5, 45, 46, 47, 48. So 25, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. I could also add more coins, right? So I have 48, 49, 50, 51. But look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. If we have 5 pennies, we can easily take out these 5 pennies and put in 1 nickel because that's the same thing. So 25, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, which is the same thing as if we had our 5 pennies. Now, I am going to show us on a worksheet page what we could do. Let's do this one. So there is 1 quarter. We know our 1 quarter is 25. There is 1 dime. Our dime is worth 10 cents. 1, 2, 3 nickels. They're all worth 5 cents. And our last one is the penny. So it was 1 penny. So we have 1 quarter, that's 25 cents. 1 dime, 10 cents. 1, 2, 3 nickels, which is 5 cents, but if we count by fives, it would be 5, 10, 15 cents. Then we have a penny, which is worth 1 cent. So again, you always start with the biggest number, which is here, just 25. Now we don't write 10, we just keep counting up. We're not going to say 10, 25, 10, 5, 5, 5, 1. That doesn't make sense. So we're just going to keep counting up. So 25 plus 10, 25, 35, 35 plus 5, 40, 40 plus 5, 45, 45 plus 5, 50, 50 plus 1 is 51. So you're going to write 50, oh no, not 2, 1, 51. And that is how you count on. What you're going to do next is you're going to do page 108 in your math workbook. This is what it looks like. And if you want, you can ask mom and dad to see if they have any coins that you can use, just like how I have coins. If you don't have any coins, you can still see which coin it is. And if you don't remember the coins, you can always look at the coin poems. Have fun counting.